Okay guys, there are many health benefits of using a neti pot. In this video we're going to go over how simple it is to actually use a neti pot. Okay, so first of all you need your neti pot or sinus rinser. Then you want to fill it up with either room temperature or slightly warm water. You then want to add to the water when it's full a saline solution. You can either use a sinus rinse sachet or just simply add baking soda. I'm going to add one of these sachets. And then you put on the lid and you need to give it a good shake. Then we want to take our neti pot to the nearest sink and we want to apply it to one nostril and slightly lean forward and either squeeze or tip the neti pot until it starts coming out of the other nostril. This will feel really weird at first, and warning, this can get messy. You want to do half the amount of water through one nostril and half the amount through the other. The reason you want to lean slightly forward is if you do it standing straight up, you'll actually get water travelling down your throat, which doesn't feel very nice. It won't harm you obviously, but yeah, ideally you want to lean forward. Then after you've used all your water, you want to clean your nose up and test your breathing. See, can you breathe a little bit better? Hopefully you can if the neti pot has been successful. Okay guys, so hopefully that is a really quick and simple explanation on how to use a neti pot. Let me know what you guys think, but most importantly, as always, look after yourself, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next health video. Goodbye.